Hello, welcome to my kitchen. This is Remya. Today we are going to make Tiffin Sambar. Let's see the ingredients. 1 cup of Toor dal, 3 tomatoes, I already chopped it, half cup pumpkin, 6 to 7 shallots, a small piece of carrot, some cilantros and curry leaves, water as needed, 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon of chili, little bit hing as per your taste, salt as per your taste, 2 teaspoon of sambar powder. I am adding the Toor dal to the cooker. Some water. Adding the veggies. I took half of the shallots and half of the shallots I am going to be used for the tadka. Pumpkin. Tomatoes. Half of the hing. Chili powder. Turmeric, salt as per your taste, half of the sambar powder. I use the store-bought sambar powder, half of the cilantro, some curry leaves, mix it well. Let it cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Our veggies and dal is ready. You can see. Check the taste. I feel we need to add a little bit more salt. Adding 1 more cup of water. It's boiled very well. Now we will give the tadka. I am adding 1 teaspoon of oil. Adding 1 teaspoon of jeera. 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 red chilies, it's ready. I am adding my shallots, chopped shallots, and the curry leaves. I forgot to add the fenugreek. I'm just adding. My onions are ready. Now I'm adding the rest of the sambar masala. Adding the chopped cilantro too. Our tadka is ready for the sambar. And that masala, I am adding 1 more cup of water. I am adding this water also in the sambar. Let it sit for at least half an hour before serving. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. See you next time.